Good morning, Standard 9. Today we will proceed chapter motion. Students, पिछले क्लास हम लोग पढ़े थे कि how we can find that the object is in motion or the object is at rest. Means when we compare the two body that is either at rest or in motion, तो हमको शायद समझ में आता है कि body is in motion, लेकिन हमें फिक्स कर लेना है कि we have to compare any object either in motion or in rest to that rest object. किसी भी एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट को लेके, किसी भी एक रेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को लेके whenever we are comparing, then only we can understand object is in motion, जो हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे फर्स्ट क्लास में. Today we will discuss terms describing motion. What are the different terms that describe motion? उसका नाम लेते ही आपके दिमाग में हंट करेगा कि yes, we are talking about motion. So students, let's start the first term which we have done in our class also, but today I am revising that one and I'll proceed further. So one by one, let's start it. First term is distance. What is distance? Distance is the actual path or total path covered by the object or body. Object. Actual path or total path covered by the object. So, or you can say actual length covered by the object. So, actual length covered by the object, so it's SI unit. It is measured in SI unit is meter, which we are writing only. For example, students, I am saying you कि कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन A से 10 किलोमीटर it has moved to position B, and from B to C again 10 kilometer, and from C to D it is 5 kilometer. So students, whenever we are discussing distance or displacement, हमेशा आप ये याद रखेंगे कि we have to be careful with initial position and final position. So यहाँ initial position is A and your final position is D. So from A to D. So let's calculate the total distance. Total distance is equal to, that is from A to D. Just I am writing here, it's no need to write, but as you are starting this one, so I am writing here, your initial stage is this one, A to D, 10 kilometer A to B, that means AB plus BC plus CD. So AB is 10 kilometer plus BC is 10 kilometer plus CD is 5 kilometer. So you have got 10 plus 10, 20, 25 kilometer. So total distance covered by the body is 25 kilometer. Like this we can calculate many numericals. So first that term we have got distance. For second one, you come that we are going displacement. Displacement. What is this displacement? Displacement again, you can say students, it's very easy. The shortest path covered by the body from initial position to final position. So you see here, I am writing the shortest path covered by the body from initial position to final position is known as displacement. So students, here shortest path, and now I am showing you how it is. SI unit of displacement, again path length, means SI unit is meter. It is measured in meter. So I am showing you how we are taking out, or how we are connecting the initial position to final position, and that will be the shortest path.